The Indigo 5900, your entry point to the world of indigo quality, versatility, and robustness. Filled with innovation, the Indigo 5900 expands printing possibilities further. The press matches and exceeds offset quality through its digital offset printing process, with 7 color stations covering 97% of the color gamut. Use spot and specialty inks such as True Spot colors, HP Indigo Electro Ink White, Fluorescent Pink, and much more. The Indigo 5900 offers the widest array of high-value applications. From thick substrates up to 550 microns to synthetics, metallized, and canvas. Using one-shot color technology. Opportunity is here. Choose from over 3,000 certified media. HP Indigo Electro Ink Primer technology enables improved ink adhesion, from standard offset to specialty papers, giving you just-in-time production flexibility. Running up to 90 ppm, this high-productivity press can achieve up to 2 million impressions per month. It also introduces a variety of productivity enhancements. For the first time in the Indigo 5000 series, the Indigo 5900 is equipped with the HP SmartStream Production Pro, a top-of-the-line digital front end. The HP Indigo 5900 is now cloud-connected via HP Print OS. This revolutionary print production operating system comes with a set of web and mobile apps and helps you get more out of your presses, simplifying and automating production. HP Indigo 5900 Digital Press, your gateway to indigo quality.